hope everyone's doing well today. I'm going to talk about 4 SWs. So the first one is some will. And what I mean by that is this relates to marketing. So when you're promoting a product or even promoting some kind of business event or a book of yours on social media or even in person, some will like your offer. There's a bunch of prospects in one bucket that will like your offer. The second bucket is some won't. You might get this more than some will. And if you do, that's okay, because there's plenty of people that will like your offer. You just have to keep marketing and make sure you're specific in your target market. So just keep in mind, you'll always have those people that will say no. The third one is some are waiting. So there are some people who they are kind of interested in, in the first one, similar to the first one, but there is something that is keeping them from buying or going to the next level. So people who are in that situation, they are waiting for the right time, or they may be waiting to have the right money, or not have the right money, but have the money to spend on your product or service. And the last one is so what? So you're gonna have people that'll be like, so what? Who cares? Can you give me more information? So they kind of fit in this bucket or this category, but they may want more information about your product or service before they move forward. So I hope this provides value to your marketing. Just keep in mind, at some point you will experience all 4 of these. Some may be more than the other, but keep in mind, just keep going and keep marketing. Or if you're doing free traffic methods, just getting people to your page. It doesn't necessarily have to be buying all the time. Getting people to your page will also apply to this. So if you have any questions or concerns, please respond below and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.